magandang nanay. Ito. Mukha ba akong si Raulo? Ayan. Mukha ba yan? Grabe. Nandito ako ngayon sa aking Sweet Rom, kung saan ako'y magliligpit ng aking damit. At yun nga guys, magpo-fold ako ng damit ko kasi maya-maya I'm going to my job in Bigma. Yes, thanks God that Palm Green still give me a job and I'm so lucky for that. At alam mo ba, may nagwiwilga pa rin dyan. Alam mo yung 3.5 na hours na makukuha ko, nagwiwilga pa rin sila dyan guys. Grabe no, wilgang-wilga sila. Not that my boss, but somebody around me. They are not happy that I have a job. But honest is, I love to work, but I need to work hard to my YouTube channels because I know that someday I have a future. And diyan nakasalalay ang future ng anak ko. And if they didn't give me a chance to have a more job, it's okay. I can, I can wait my YouTube channel that someday I can achieve what I want to achieve. And thank you guys. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you because you always stay to my YouTube channels. And if I make a video that it's about SEX na parental guidance, that I make my ate sad because she know that I'm not like that. She don't like to be a garapal. But honest is guys, if I choose friends, I want friends that like that. They are not shy to talk about SAX because even that it's parental guidance, much better that you have a vocal kind of type of persons. Ang English ko tama ba? If it's wrong, please fix it. And you know what guys, much better to have like that, to have a friend like that, because you can find out what kind of person they are. At alam mo, ayoko ng feeling, virgin na style, tahimik, mahinhin, pero mahinhin, dudot, titin. Ayun nga. At sorry guys sorry. I promise that I don't need to say bad words. Like what my ate said, I need to be nice, but I'm the type of person that if I want to say something, I will say something. No one can control me, but this time I need to control myself because I make my ate sad and I don't want that making stupid that I know that my ate is feel sad because of my mouth. And it's about joke, it's about dirty words is like normal in this earth because you know what, in the beginning I'm the type of person that I want to be silent, dalagang Pilipina or nanay na Pilipina, but they make me embarrassed all the time. That's why I need to say something that to make them embarrassed too. But I know it's not good to fight the person that if their head is down and then you join to them, you're gonna be like that too. And now I understand what my ate mean. Okay, naintindihan niyo bang English ko? Alam mo kasi guys, ganito yun, my nose is bleeding if I speak English, and if it's not good enough, please fix my sentence. Okay, just insert the wrong grammar that I said. Okay, tama ba yun? Bye bye.